Hello guys, and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to block any adult websites on your Android device. So first thing you have to do is open your Chrome browser. Click this three-dotted line located on the upper right side of your screen. Then click Settings. Scroll down and click Privacy and Security. Scroll down again and click View Secure DNS. Make sure that the Use Secure DNS is turned on, and under the Use Secure DNS, click Choose Another Provider. Click the arrow down located on the right side of Custom. Click the Clean Browsing Family filter. Now all the adult websites are blocked on your Android device. You can also apply this setup into your children's tablet or mobile device, or to your younger brother's or sister's mobile phone, most likely if they are minors. Because nowadays, adult websites are one click away, and it really bothers us parents what our children's browsing and surfing in the internet, and at least, by blocking this adult websites, we can make sure that our children's will have no access to this unwanted websites. And that is how to block any adult websites on your Android device. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.